What's up guys, Matt Miller over here. I'm finally on Matt and you're on next. So anyways, here's a couple tips. A couple of people asked me about, seems like it's a hot topic. Everybody is interested how to play sweep picking and what to do in order to practice. Okay, there's tons of videos online. I just can give what helped me, my experience. So you take a regular shape, let's say D minor here. So how I practice it? Well, of course you need to get your left hand. If your left hand can do it, no matter how good your right hand is, you won't be able to play it. And I always stress it. So work on your legato. Number one. Then practice your play this shape, like practice it with just downstrokes only. Upstrokes only. And alternate pick everything. Like let's say if you sweep it first, and then alternate pick everything. Put your guitar, if you practice with distortion, put it on the dirtiest pickup so you can hear all the noise. Practice with clean sound also, and make sure you learn how to play it slow first. If you can't play it slow, there's no way, you're gonna sound good fast. So make sure every note sounds. And you can do it for everything. Like for example, for the people talk about regular alternate picking, like string crossing and stuff, pick slanting. I was never a big fan of pick slanting. I guess I do it naturally, whatever. I just worry about the up and down movement. That's it. So it goes up and down. And make sure that you relax completely. And play a lot of challenging licks or whatever, like one note per string. Try to whatever everything that people normally sweep. Try to alternate pick everything. No effects. If you use distortion, use the dirtiest pickup, and we're gonna play it slow. Left hand legato. Upstrokes only, downstrokes only, alternate picking, and then sweep. And that's it. Peace.